Hello, welcome to Pike Creek Farm. My name is Renee. If this is your first time here, thank you so much for joining me. I live in the thumb of Michigan and like to do videos on canning and baking and just life here at this stage of life. I'm semi-retired and trying to be thrifty and thrive. And January is going to be all about being thrifty for me. Happy New Year, everyone. It is January 1st, and I'm going to be doing the Pantry Challenge again this year. I always like doing it because it gets me off on a really good start for the year. You know, December is so busy and hectic, and you try to have all those extra things. And I do less and less of that, I think, as I get older. But I always cook too much, and, you know, it's just life. So it's nice to take a break in January. It's cold here, it's snowy. I don't want to go out any more than I have to, and I have a full freezer, a full refrigerator, freezers out there, pantry, and then a canned good pantry. So I am going to try and not buy much this January. There are a few things that I might have to add, like dairy, milk, creamer, that sort of thing. I can make bread. I have vegetables. By the end of January, fresh veggies are sometimes something I buy if I can get a good sale on them. But I even started off today doing the Pantry Challenge. Let me get this lid off. I made some macaroni salad. I had like a third of a box of small shells. I had a quarter of a bag of frozen peas. I had some frozen chicken breasts that had been cut up from my son's wedding that we had froze. Some little cheese slices from charcuterie board my daughter did. So I made macaroni salad, added some celery, some onions, some dressing, and this is gonna snap. And I have, you know, we're gonna have burgers for dinner tonight, and then I'll have this with it, and I'll have leftovers for tomorrow for lunch, unless my son stops by. So that is what I wanted to stop in today to let you know what my plan is for January. I am doing videos for Canuary. I'll have 3 canning videos as part of Canuary with Sutton's Days, but I'm also gonna do some other ones because I have tomatoes in my freezer and I have some other things I need to jar it up. So I'll bring you along for some of that too. I am doing the Pantry Challenge, which Lisa encourages that, but Three Rivers also does it. So I kind of combine both, and I'll be sharing what I make, what I come up with to cook from what's in my pantry. I also need to do more inventory, and that's something that Sutton's Days really promotes. And I have just been putting a lot of things in my freezers, and I need to take a stockpile of it so I know what I have and what I need to add to it. And one thing I know I need to add, if there's a good price this month on pork, I will be adding pork to my freezer. I can also use some ground beef, so if that goes on sale. Otherwise, I am keeping it really low. My plan is no more than $100 for this month for groceries is for food for us. That doesn't count chicken feed or the dog food, you know, but for the 2 of us. And I think I can do it because we could live quite a while off my pantry in the freezers. And I don't have to have the fresh vegetables. I just like them. I have enough vegetables, but let me know if you're gonna be doing a Pantry Challenge. I find it's a really great way of kicking off the year with staying on a budget. Gives me some extra money to buy like the pork and the ground beef. It helps pay for some bills, goes into savings. Those are all good things. And we will eat well. That is not going to be a problem. We will eat well, and I will share that with you. So mainly, I just got on today to wish everyone a happy new year. Thank you for the past year. I appreciate each and every one of you that watch my videos. So many of you have become friends. And I was talking to my husband this morning, and one of my viewers I found out passed away, and she emailed me once a week. She lived in Michigan. We saw some of the same things, we'd go to the same stores, and I always looked forward to those emails from her, and now she's gone. And I feel like I lost a friend, even though I never met her in person. So I appreciate each and every one of you. I received a Christmas card from one of my viewers, and it just really perks you up. It's the extra blessing that came with starting a YouTube channel that I had no clue would happen in my life at a time that I really needed it. So thank you, everyone, and have a happy new year. And I will be back with more videos this month, including one tomorrow for January. I hope it's tomorrow. I gotta get this one up. Sometimes my internet doesn't work. So thank you for joining me. We'll see you next time at Pike Creek Farm.